So do you desire to offer your food before numerous people? Have you thought of selling on Amazon? Below I will certainly cover step by step the full procedure to get you started and be successful. Welcome to Marketing Food Online, YouTube's best food business channel, helping you start your food business online, food truck running, or creating a packaged food business. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications. So grab a pad and pen, take notes. This will be the most informative step-by-step video for how to sell food on the world's largest e-commerce platform, Amazon. Pass on the fastest growing e-commerce group right now is food and grocery store. All the major e-commerce websites are contending to prosper now and attempt to be market dominant. Such as Amazon, sites like Walmart, and also even Target, all are set for wonderful development over the following 15 years or more, when the market will reach more than $80 billion in household costs. As soon as you learn exactly how to sell groceries on Amazon.com can help you produce an online existence marketing food as well as grocery stores. Selling in the grocery store classification does have specific difficulties, unlike selling in various other groups, like various other categories. There are certain facets to selling food like logistics, gratification, and also self-confidence building in the consumer, which is different when food is marketing. Amazon.com has in place a process to assist sellers to get started and preserve standards. This suggests that as a vendor you will certainly need to maintain high criteria, not just for the item yet additionally client experiences. So what are the exact steps to start selling food on Amazon.com? We will certainly dive into those today. We will certainly start by considering obtaining accepted for grocery, and after that see what Amazon's demands are for the products themselves. Finally, we will certainly talk about what the Amazon grocery fees are as well as our finest practices for offering grocery stores. Obtain approval to offer groceries. Getting ungated. The very first step to offering grocery stores on Amazon is to obtain authorization for the group. Groceries are a limited group on Amazon.com, and also you will initially require to get ungated to market them. You will certainly additionally need to make an application for added approvals if your products are organic or if you make use of natural in your listing. Amazon confirms that your product adheres to USDA regulations and also calls for proof that your items are certified. The heavy restrictions around groceries on Amazon.com is easy to understand. They need to give the best experience to their consumers, and that includes selling risk-free products, particularly when it involves a consumable like food or beverage. At a minimum, you should have an expert marketing account to obtain ungated for the grocery classification. As part of the application, Amazon.com will ask you to submit product billings or high-quality administration system (QMS) to guarantee that your items are safe to market to clients. Your Amazon.com account wellness is likewise a crucial element, as well as you require to satisfy or go beyond the limits that Amazon.com has set. The present thresholds in 2021 are: order issue rate (ODR) less than 1%. Pre-fulfillment terminates price or cancellation price (CR) less than 2.5%. Late delivery rate (LSR) less than 4%. Amazon.com can use up to a week or more to determine if your application is accepted. We have found that the majority of applications are addressed before or after that. Nevertheless, requirements to offer grocery stores on Amazon.com. Amazon has extra needs in addition to getting ungated for the grocery store category. You must have the ability to guarantee the quality and safety of your product packaging, plainly recognize expiration dates, as well as create your product pages in a particular method. We've described all the specific requirements that Amazon.com has for this group. Item product packaging demands. Food requires to be packaged correctly to be sold on Amazon.com. As we stated in the past, Amazon.com requires to guarantee that the food they are selling are risk-free. This is particularly true after Amazon's settlement with Germany that says Amazon.com can be held accountable for third-party sales. Products need to be properly loaded and sealed to shield the product from spoiling or ending up being damaged. The packaging must make sure the top quality and also safety and security of the food. The products all require to be shipped to ensure that the packaging stays undamaged and is not damaged en route. Item product packaging has to also plainly specify the internet weight, expiration dates, and any nutritional insurance claims such as prospective food allergens. Ultimately, the product packaging has to consist of the name as well as address of the packaging company. Shelf life needs. Most grocery products aside from perhaps Twinkies have an expiry or ideal by date. These are to make sure that the products are risk-free for usage. Amazon requires that any kind of perishable items sold via FBA have a shelf life above 90 days. They additionally need that disposable product that is within 50 days of expiry to be eliminated from gratification facilities, and also will immediately remove and throw away devices that are less than 50 days from expiration. Products that could potentially melt are just accepted at fulfillment facilities from October to April. As well as also then, Amazon calls for that they have the ability to withstand a minimum temperature of 50 degrees as well as a maximum of 100 degrees Fahrenheit. If the item quality is affected by moving outside of that variety, Amazon.com will additionally deal with the devices. Detailing needs. Together with product demands, Amazon.com calls for certain things to appear on the Amazon.com listing for grocery products. Each grocery store item has to have the nutritional and active ingredients information for the product visible in among the product images. The item images should be a minimum dimension of 300 dpi. The pictures can additionally just show the items for sale as well as non-items that are utilized in mix with the product. As an example, showing a shake package with a blender or food processor. Delivering as well as labeling demands. Finally, Amazon has regulations for shipping generate items to satisfaction centers. They call for that each shipment have the following info: the name and address of the shipper or owner, the name of the person to whom the delivery is being sent out, the name of the nation, state, or area where the materials were grown, a declaration of the delivery components. Agricultural products are carefully checked by U.S. Customs to avoid the importation of invasive varieties and also apply tolls and also taxes to items affordable with United States firms. These are very few requirements that Amazon.com has for shipping fresh products. However, they additionally keep in mind that neighborhood and also state federal governments might have added plans that sellers need to adhere to too. Grocery store category charges. The grocery, as well as gourmet food classification, have a fee framework that is different than most on Amazon. Amazon really charges various costs depending upon the cost factor of the item. Previously, charges had been a flat 15% throughout the whole classification. Yet Amazon has since reduced them to attempt to encourage even more grocery store brand names to sell on the platform as well as increase its option for customers. Products under $15 only have an 8% fee on Amazon. The fee for products over $15 continues to be at 15% nevertheless. This cost framework is likewise a reward that Amazon.com tries to provide vendors to remain on their system versus marketing on various other systems like Walmart, who have a level 15% fee throughout the whole classification. Best practices for selling groceries on Amazon. Carrying out a few different features and also techniques to your product listings can assist you to market a lot more items on Amazon. You ought to start by developing variation listings for all your grocery store products that are the same line of products. Making use of variants can help subject customers to other options within your brands from different sizes to tastes. You should after that take into consideration implementing what we call tier rates to urge bigger customer acquisitions. Groceries are palatable items as well as opposed to really hoping that a customer returns to buy from you again. You should attempt to transform them into getting more than one system at once. We advise establishing price cuts for consumers acquiring 2, 3 as well as 4 or more devices at once. Boosting ordinary cart worth is one significant method to grow your sales in the grocery store classification. Using the proper images on your listing can likewise aid you to convert much more shoppers right into customers. We advise using way-of-life images as well as graphics that discuss the benefits or features of your grocery item. Nutritional advantages or special active ingredients that are plainly defined in the photos can help a shopper understand your product better as well as in a much shorter quantity of time than reviewing the bullet factors. Ultimately, you should be making use of advertising and marketing on Amazon to drive even more traffic to your listings. Marketing prices in the grocery group are still relatively reduced compared to various other groups on Amazon.com. Effectively using marketing can aid you to get even more sales as well as rank higher on search results web pages in the grocery store category. Begin your grocery brand name on Amazon.com today. The demands to sell in the grocery group can be laborious. However, the brands that effectively navigate the challenges can control on the platform for several years to come. Obtaining added presence for your brand and also its items can aid you to benefit from the grocery store e-commerce growth pattern. Following our finest method tips and ensuring that your brand meets all the needs outlined below will assist you to sell groceries on Amazon.com. Marketing food online consulting services have assisted countless brands to capitalize on the system as well as manage the obstacles Amazon throws in their means. Begin today with marketing on Amazon.com as well as see exactly how adhering to these pointers will certainly assist you to expand your sales quickly.
Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store or sell food online, Remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.